House cleaning service booking.
Good morning. Bright Home Cleaning. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to book a cleaning service for my flat.
Certainly. Are you looking for regular cleaning or deep cleaning?
I thought regular cleaning would be enough, but I need the kitchen and bathroom cleaned properly, so deep cleaning is better.
Deep cleaning. I can arrange that.
Thank you.
Which date would you like?
Is Monday the 21st of December available?
Monday the 21st is fully booked. We have Tuesday the 22nd of December.
Tuesday the 22nd is fine.
We can arrive at 9 o'clock.
I have a school drop-off at 9, so that is a little early.
In that case, we can arrive at 9:30.
9:30 works well.
How many bedrooms are in the flat?
2 bedrooms and a small study.
Should I list it as 2 bedrooms?
No, please list it as 3 bedrooms because the study also needs cleaning.
3 bedrooms. The price for 2 bedrooms is £85, but for 3 bedrooms it is £95.
£95 is fine.
May I have your surname?
It is Khan.
Could you spell that, please?
Khan.
Thank you. What is the address?
18, Maple Street.
Did you say 18, Market Street?
No, Maple Street. MAPLE.
18, Maple Street. Thank you. If no one is home, where should the cleaners find the key?
I was going to leave it under the mat, but that is too visible. I will leave it under the plant near the door.
Under the plant.
Yes.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07548 302 719.
Let me repeat that. 07548 302 719.
Correct.
Your booking reference is C5814.
C5814?
Yes. Please keep that reference if you need to change the booking.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Driving lesson inquiry.
Good afternoon. City Drive School. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to ask about booking my first driving lesson.
Of course. Are you interested in manual lessons or automatic lessons?
I first thought manual would be better, but I want to start with automatic lessons.
Automatic lesson. That is fine.
Thank you.
When would you like your first lesson?
Is Friday the 9th of January available?
Friday the 9th is already full, but Saturday the 10th of January is available.
Saturday the 10th is good.
We have a lesson at 3:45.
3:45 is a bit early because I finish work at 4.
The next slot is 4:15.
For 15 is perfect.
Your instructor will be Mr. Collins.
Could you spell that, please?
Collins. Collins.
Thank you.
Where would you like to be picked up?
I was going to say the town station, but the town library is easier for me.
Town library.
Yes, please.
The standard lesson price is £35, but automatic lessons are £38.
That is fine. £38.
May I have your surname?
Patel.
Is that Patel?
Yes, Patel.
Do you have your provisional license number?
I do not have the full number with me, but it ends in 62.
Ends in 62. Thank you.
Yes.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07631 845 206.
Let me check. 07631 845 206.
Correct.
Your inquiry reference is D9471.
D9471?
Yes. Please bring your provisional license to the first lesson.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Local course registration. Good morning. Riverside Community Center. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to register for a local evening course.
Certainly. Are you interested in English conversation or computer skills?
I was thinking about English conversation, but I need computer skills for work, so I will choose computer skills.
Computer skills. I can register you for that.
Thank you.
The next course starts on Tuesday the 17th of February.
That sounds useful.
Sorry, I have just checked. The 17th is now full. The next available start date is Wednesday the 18th of February.
Wednesday the 18th is fine.
The class normally starts at 6 o'clock.
I finish work at 6, so I cannot arrive by then.
The evening group starts at 6:30.
6:30 is much better.
Good. The room was listed as 205, but this course has moved to room 305.
Room 305.
Yes, 305.
What is the course fee?
The normal fee is £80, but there is an evening discount, so the final fee is £72.
£72. That is fine.
May I have your surname?
Begum.
Could you spell that, please?
Begum.
Thank you. Is this for a teenager or an adult learner?
It is for me, so adult.
Adult. What email username should we use?
It is samira.learns.
Samira.learns?
Yes, that is right.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07452 618 440.
Let me repeat that, 07452 618 440.
Correct.
Your registration reference is L2639.
L2639.
Yes. Please arrive 10 minutes early for the first class.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Package delivery problem.
Good afternoon. Parcel line customer support. How can I help?
Hello. I am calling about a delivery problem.
I can help with that. Was the package damaged or was it not delivered?
I first thought it was damaged, but it was actually a missed delivery. The driver did not leave the package.
Missed delivery. I will check the details.
Thank you.
Do you have the tracking number?
Yes. It ends in 72. Sorry, no, I am reading the wrong label. It ends in 73.
So the tracking number ends in 73.
Yes, 73.
What item was in the package?
I also ordered a phone case this week, but this package is for headphones.
Headphones. Thank you.
When can it be delivered again?
We have Thursday afternoon available.
I cannot be home on Thursday.
In that case, Friday is available.
Friday is fine.
The delivery window is from 2 to 5.
I am not back until 3.
We can mark the delivery window as 3 to 5 o'clock.
That would work.
May I have your surname?
Raman.
Could you spell that, please?
Rahman.
Thank you. I can see the address as flat 14A.
That is the problem. It should be flat 14B.
Flat 14B. And the street is Cedar Road?
Yes, Cedar Road.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07824 590 332.
Let me repeat that. 07824 590 332.
Correct.
Your case reference is M6842.
M6842?
Yes. Please keep that reference until the package is delivered.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Section 1 Mixed Review Conversation.
Good morning. Greenway Family Services. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to arrange a visit for my family.
Certainly. Would you like a center visit or a home visit?
I first thought a center visit would be easier, but my mother cannot travel well, so we need a home visit.
Home visit. I can arrange that.
Thank you.
Which date would you prefer?
Is Wednesday the 25th of March available?
Wednesday the 25th is fully booked. Thursday the 26th of March is available.
Thursday the 26th is fine.
We have an appointment at 2:15.
2:15 is a little early because my children finish school at 2.
The next appointment is 2:45.
2:45 works well.
How many people will be present?
I think 3 people. Actually, my brother will also be there, so 4 people.
4 people. The cost for 3 people is £60, but for 4 people it is £68.
£68 is fine.
May I have your surname?
Hussein.
Could you spell that, please?
Hussain.
Thank you. What is the address?
42, Brook Avenue.
Did you say 42, Brook Avenue with an E at the end?
No, Brook. Brook.
42, Brook Avenue. Thank you. What email username should we use?
It is family.visit30.
Family.visit30.
Yes, that is right.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07764 281 906.
Let me repeat that. 07764 281 906.
Correct.
Your booking reference is R7053.
R7053?
Yes. Please keep that reference for any changes.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.